hops along the workshop floor. Bounce, bounce, bounce and hop some more. Tiny bells upon his hat jingle softly, think of that. Round the toys he makes a stop. Watch me do my hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, little elf, hop, hop, never ever want to stop. Twirl around and lift so high, touch the snowflakes in the sky. Hop, hop, little elf, hop, hop, hear the jingle pop, pop, pop. Come along and join the fun. Little elf hop has begun. Stacks of presents tall and bright, candy canes in zigzag stripes. Elf hops past with laughter sweet. Tap, tap, tapping tiny feet. Reindeer giggle, toys awake. Drums and ribbons start to shake. Every time he hops along, he creates a jolly song. Hop, hop, little elf, hop, hop, never ever want to stop. Twirl around and lift so high, touch the snowflakes in the sky. Hop, hop, little elf, hop, hop, hear the jingle pop, pop, pop. Come along and join the fun. Little elf hop has begun. Hop to the left, hop to the right, hop in circles full delight. Hop on tiptoes, soft and small, hop so high you almost fall. Santa peeks around the door, smiles and cheers, let's hop some more. Whole workshop begins to beep, hop in toys that bounce and leap. Hop, hop, little elf, hop, hop, never ever want to stop. Twirl around and lift so high, touch the snowflakes in the sky. Hop, hop, little elf, hop, hop, hear the jingle pop, pop, pop. Everyone now join the run.